Hey everyone! How's it going? I'm Henry. In this video, I'll be sharing everything you need to know about Crystal Restore before you make a purchase. I also have some important warnings to keep in mind, so make sure you stick around until the end to avoid any risks with your purchase. First, a quick heads up, be cautious about where you buy Crystal Restore. This product is only sold on the official website, so to make it easy, I've included the official link in the description and in the first comment below. I'm here in the corner of your screen to give you my honest review, share my experience, and help you decide if Crystal Restore is right for you. What is Crystal Restore? Crystal Restore is a unique supplement designed to boost spiritual awareness, support well-being, and enhance manifestation by promoting the healthy function of the pineal gland. Known as the third eye, the pineal gland is thought to bridge the mind with the universe. Crystal Restore helps detoxify this gland from harmful fluoride buildup, allowing you to experience heightened mental clarity, intuition, and personal growth. Key benefits of Crystal Restore. Pineal gland activation. Unlock your pineal gland's natural power, helping you manifest your desires. Increased mental clarity. Boost cognitive function, memory, and focus, enhancing performance in all areas of life. Energy boost and stress relief. Feel naturally energized and less stressed, without relying on stimulants or chemicals. Enhanced emotional well-being. Experience emotional balance, positivity, and connection, enabling personal and spiritual growth. Natural detoxification. Eliminate toxins that disrupt your mind-body balance. How Crystal Restore works. Crystal Restore restores the mind-body-spirit connection by detoxifying the pineal gland. With tamarind extract and chlorella, it removes toxins, specifically fluoride, that can impair pineal gland function. Balancing energy flow. Ingredients like ginkgo biloba and broccopomineri improve blood flow, supporting optimal pineal gland performance and enhancing creativity and intuition. Boosting spiritual channels. Clears blockages in spiritual pathways, helping you connect with your inner self and fostering calm, insight, and purpose. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check the link in the description for the official website.